Hello guys, so today our topic of discussion is anatomy of heart. The heart acts as two serial pumps and they both share several electrical and mechanical components. So the two serial pumps that we are talking about is the right side of heart and the left side of heart. What is the function of the right heart? So right heart basically circulates the blood to the lungs and it gets oxygenated over there. And the left heart circulates the blood to the rest of the body, the blood which is oxygenated by the lungs. The atrias, they are thin-walled structures that act as the priming pumps for the ventricles. That means the blood to the ventricle is given by the pumping mechanism of the atria. And they provide the most of the energy which is required to maintain the circulation. As we know, the SA node and AV node, they are found in both the atrias. The atria, they are situated posteriorly within the mediastinum, whereas talking about the ventricles are thick-walled structures, and the reason for the thick wall is the higher pressure that is needed to pump the blood in complete body and the lungs. And they are adapted to circulating the blood through large vascular beds under the pressure. And then we have a structure known as annulus fibris. The annulus fibris basically separates the atria from the ventricles and it forms the skeleton for the atrioventricular walls, and thus it electrically insulates the atria from the ventricles. And if we specifically talk about the right and the left ventricle, the right ventricle is about only 2 to 3 millimeter thick. It is triangular in shape. As you can see in the diagram, the right ventricle over here, it is triangular in shape. And the thickness is less than that of the left ventricle. It is approximately 2 to 3 millimeter thick. And it sits anterior. The position, if we talk about, it is anterior to the right of the left ventricle. This is the left ventricle, the right side. You have to imagine it in the 3D. Heart is a three-dimensional structure, so the left ventricle ka right side, and it is anterior to the left ventricle. Then talking about the left ventricle, so left ventricle is approximately 10 millimeter thick. Why it is so much thick? Why the myocardium of left ventricle is 10 millimeter thick? It is due to the operation. The left ventricle operates at very higher pressure as compared to right ventricle, and it needs to pump blood to the whole of the body. Then talking about